Hi friends, I am Annam Sendil Kumar. I am a food blogger, a YouTuber. I have two YouTube channels in Tamil. One is Annam's Recipes, other one is Annam's Health Recipes. Food blog name is annamsrecipes.com. Today I am going to do two recipes. One is Chettinadu Padapayasam and the other one is beetroot halwa. We make both side by side. First, let us see the ingredients. For beetroot halwa, we take 1 cup beetroot, 3 tablespoons sugar, 10 to 15 cashews, and quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, and milk maid. I take Amul milk and Amul Mithai Maid and Amul ghee. Let us start. First, we start. We do beetroot halwa. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. I use Amul ghee. Fry cashews. If you want, you can add raisins also. Fry well. Beetroot halwa is a very easy recipe. Bachelor, beginners or all make easily. Take the cashews. Add beetroots. Peel the skin and grate in the grater.
Is the beetroot boiled or raw?
Raw beetroot.
So you can take the raw beetroot, saute it, and then you can make the beetroot halwa.
Oh, yes. Saute till the raw smell goes. Today I use 1 cup beetroot. For 1 cup I add half cup milk. quarter teaspoon elaichi powder, mix it well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook well. Simmer the gas stove. Next we make Chettinad special Pada Payasam. We transfer beetroot halwa to the next stove. For Chettinad Pada Payasam, we soak 2 teaspoon basmati rice 1 hour and 4 cashews and 4 badam. Grind it in the mixer jar. You can use basmati rice or Siraga Samba rice or ordinary raw rice also.
Okay, the milk is full cream or
Any milk.
any milk is okay for this recipe.
Any.
Is the beetroot raw or boiled?
Raw beetroot.
So raw beetroot is grated and then it is sauteed.
You peel the skin of the badam.
Badams. Okay. So the recipe here we are making is beetroot halwa
Beetroot,
and Chettinad Pada Payasam.
yes. I make beetroot halwa and Chettinad Pada Payasam. You simmer the stove, otherwise it will boil and
It'll get cloggy. It'll get thick.
okay. வெளியில வந்து peel off the skin of the badam. Soak badam and cashew 1 hour. This Pada Payasam is very famous in Chettinad. In Chettinad wedding, it is a compulsory dessert.
Sweet. Okay.
Grind it in the mixie. This consistency, fine rava consistency.
So is payasam a sweet dish? Yes, payasam is a sweet dish. How much of cashew and badam?
Cashew 4, badam 4.
Yeah, 4 and 4, approximately a handful of quantity.
Beetroot is cooked well. We can add sugar. I add 3 tablespoons sugar. and 1 tablespoon Amul Thai milk. If you want beetroot rich, you can add kova, sweetless kova or sweet kova.
So for high and thick consistency, sweet or sweetless kova.
Sweet, if you add
More sugar, sweetless kova.
Sweetless kova. If you add little sugar,
Okay.
according to your
Sugar quantity, sweet or sweetless kova is required. Okay.
Mix it well. It is almost finishing stage. Add 1.5 cup milk. I will make Padapayasam for 4 person.
So it's 1.5 cups of normal milk.
Amul Gold.
Amul Gold milk. Okay.
Switch off on the stove.
Yes, brown sugar can be added.
Yes.
Brown sugar can be added instead of normal sugar. Yes.
Add the ground paste.
The ground paste of cashew and badam, right?
Badam.
Cashew.
Cashew.
Yeah.
Rinse it with little water and add. Stir continuously, otherwise
It will become a bit thick.
it
Yeah.
is stick at the bottom.
Okay.
Put the flame in the
Low flame.
heat.
What did you add for beetroot in the last? Sugar and then
Sugar, milk made.
milk made.
Mithai made.
After cooking the beetroot well, sugar and Amul's mithai mate was added, and then it's cooked. It's getting cooked.
Remove the lid and allow to evaporate the water.
The mixie paste consists of cashew, badam, and rice, or only cashew and badam?
Rice.
Including rice?
Including rice.
Okay, the ground mixture consists of cashew, badam, and also soaked rice. Soaked basmati rice. Yes, rice is there in the paste.
This is vanilla custard powder. 1 teaspoon custard powder. You often stir the milk, otherwise it will stick at the bottom. The rice settle at the bottom. Add little water, mix it well without lumps.
A person is asking for the return recipe.
Return recipe. I will write in the comment.
Okay, the return recipe will be up in the comment section below once the live video is over.
Or my blog.
You can also check the blog of Ms. Annam's recipe, Mrs. Annam Sendil Kumar, which is annamsrecipes.com, or even the YouTube channel, which is in Tamil. So if you want English recipe, you can check out the blog. Yes, we will post the recipes on the Amul page. English recipe. How much rice a person is asking?
2 teaspoon rice is enough.
2 teaspoons of rice is enough.
Otherwise, the payasam will be more thick.
So, in order to get good consistency, 2 teaspoons of basmati rice is enough.
Add custard powder and mix it well. Add sugar. I add 3 tablespoons sugar. And 3 tablespoons Amul's mithai. You can add sugar after the rice is cooked well. Otherwise, rice will not cook. Mix it well. The rice is cooked well.
The custard powder is vanilla flavor.
Vanilla flavor. You can add cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Switch it off the stove and allow it to cool. Transfer the payasam in the bowl.
Can saffron be added?
Yes.
Saffron can also be added.
I forgot to add.
Actually, saffron is there. Once everything is over, you can top it off.
Or
while cooking also, you can add saffron.
If you have, you can add. Otherwise, leave it. It's almost ready. Add fried cashews. Kept some for decoration.
Can we add chopped nuts in payasam?
Yes,
Yes, we have added chopped nuts. It will give you a crunchy taste while you taste it.
Sironji nuts gives extra taste to the payasam. Sironji, we call it Sareparippu in Tamil, pista, and badam.
So all these things are
Added.
crushed and added to the payasam
Finally, we can add these.
for presentation. Okay.
We can add these things. Is allow it to cool for some time. So we can add the fruits.
Okay. Yes, the saffrons can be added while cooking or even at the end while topping it off you can add. So once the payasam is cooled down, you can add the fruits so that it will give you a rich flavor. In beetroot mix, sugar, mithai mate are added and then they are cooked well.
1 cup beetroot,
Grated beetroot.
3 tablespoons sugar. 2 tablespoons
Amul mithai
mate, 10 cashews, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder. That's enough. For fruit ghee, I used half cup of chopped apple, banana, mango, pomegranate, orange.
Okay.
You can add any fruit available in that season also.
So selection of fruits is your choice.
According to your taste.
You can add the fruits.
You can add the fruit once the payasam is cool. Otherwise,
the fruit's consistency will become bad. So once the
watery.
payasam is cool, you can add the fruits so that it will become hard and it will be good for eating.
Fruits. You can refrigerate the fruits also. In Chettinadu, they use tinned fruits. I add 2 tablespoons ghee for this halwa. Children who do not eat beetroot
will
also
love
eat this halwa.
So the beetroot halwa is ready.
So beetroot halwa is ready. I will clean this place. If you want, you can add vanilla essence, quarter teaspoon. If the payasam is warm, mix it well. You can add the fruits one by one. First, I add chopped apple. Then orange.
A person is asking for a parcel of this.
Oh yes.
Vrinda Idnani. parceling service is not there due to current
Lockdown.
situation. So you have to make it and enjoy the
Enjoy the
Recipe.
dessert. Add mango. You can add banana also. Then pomegranate.
So according to the availability of the fruits in your place, you can add in order to customize the sweet.
Once it will cool
But
பண்ணிட்டு
you have to cool the payasam and then add the
fruits. So colorful, no? Then add nuts. Badam, pista. You can add walnut also, but it has a slight bitter taste. So
it's a bit oily.
yes, చారపరుపు అది వచ్చి zironji nuts. Then finally saffron, few strands. So yummy Chettinadu Pala Payasam is ready to serve. 2 sweet recipes are ready. The one is beetroot halwa and the other one is fruit
Payasam.
payasam.
Chettinadu Pala Payasam. Down south it is called as Pala Payasam. You can
Pala.
call it as fruit kheer.
Pala means fruit.
Payasam is a sweet dessert. So basically you can translate it as fruit kheer.
It's a very easy, no?
Easy recipe to make.
Easy, healthy.
Healthy dessert.
You can kept in the fridge.
You can keep it in the fridge.
Keep it in the
for
fridge.
a long time.
For half an hour to 1 hour till serving. Keep it in the fridge till serving.
Yeah, so once the fruits are added, the consistency still remains the same because we are allowing the payasam to cool down. If you don't allow it to
add
cool down
hot.
and then add it, the consistency will become bad. So just allow the payasam to cool down and then add the fruits.
If you want more thick, you can add another 1 teaspoon of custard powder. Friends, enjoy the 2 recipes, beetroot halwa and Chettinadu Pala Payasam. That means a fruit kheer. Visit my channel. I have 2 channels in Tamil. Annam's recipes and Annam's health recipes, and 1 food blog in English. If you want recipes in English, you can go through annamsrecipes.com. Thank you, friends.